Hi friends, Todd here, and I'm in Lowell, North Carolina, here at the Racing Warehouse. Never been here before, wanted to check it out. They have authentic racing gear, stuff that were used on race cars, and they'll have the suits, the hoods, the fenders, tires, all kinds of stuff. I also think they have like pit crew outfits as well. So let's go inside and check this out. Here is the entryway to the Racing Warehouse right here since 2010, and there's a phone number there, and also their website, theracingwarehouse.com. This whole area right here is filled with NASCAR goodness.
That car, but it was just traveling so fast. It happened right when it got in the grass. As soon as it got in the grass, that's when it started to lift. And then this is just violent.
So I wanted to show you this room first. This is right when you walk in, and Eric started collecting. He opened it up in 2010, as it says outside, but then it just started building and building over the years, his collection, and now you can purchase it, and he's always getting cool stuff in. But like I said, look at the pit crew outfits you can get right here, and you get the driver outfits, so they're all gonna vary in price. Got trophies up here. Look at all the hoods all across here. A lot of history. And then here you got the outfits too. That's cool. It's got all kinds of different teams on there. So if you need a cool jersey and you cycle, yeah, come here and check them out. It's got ball caps, t-shirts, got more shirts here. That's cool. And then check it out here. Junior's quarter panel, Earnhardt's quarter panel. Got the old 76 right here. I wonder, let me ask him, I'll see what that was from. And this is Eric here. And you got to come by and see Eric at his store. Eric, tell us more about the history of this 76 sign. You said it was out of Daytona?
It was out of Daytona. It came out of a bar.
Right.
Right over near the Speedway, called the First Turn.
First Turn, okay. So if you guys have been there, that First Turn, that's where this is from.
Yeah, it's been there forever. And the story that the guy told me was it was from the Speedway.
Okay.
And he was selling the business, and so we bought all the sheet metal out of it, and that sign, as well as that Dale Earnhardt hood.
That's amazing right there. You got Petty too, and Johnson right here. Yeah, you get old big names.
I like that. It's the 3 7-time champions. So.
Yeah, side by side. Yeah, that's awesome. So you guys need to come here just to see the witness. It's like a museum in here. Just the history alone. Come here and experience it. Thanks, Eric.
Yeah, thank you.
So yeah, that's great. Get some tires up there. You know, the quarter panels, and over here get die cast. Back in here, more NASCAR memorabilia. You got the standee of Junior. You also got a Panther jersey right here. Yeah, all kinds of cool collectibles in here. But you haven't seen anything yet. Wait till I go in the next room. You got the racing outfits here. Check the Budweiser right here. And I've always wanted to come here and just haven't had scheduling issues trying to come over here and check their store out. All the ball caps. Got some signed ones here. Check this out. That's cool. Neat. But look at this. This is the next building. Look at all the quarter panels. Get them signed too. Look at the tire marks on the side there. Got the Skull Bandit right here. Needham's. Hal Needham, I think, was a part of that years ago. Man, look at all that. All this amazing history just along this wall. Got a petty hood and quarter panel there. Man, look at all this. All the front bumpers, all the cars. It's crazy. His collection is amazing, and you can purchase it, bring it home with you. I think a lot of like themed restaurants, things like that. Neil Bonnet. I'm not sure if that's Neil Bonnet's, but he did race for Country Time. That's one of the last teams he raced for. 36. I just love the tire marks on the side of the door, or the panel there. Sunoco. Look at the front hoods. It's like some of your more modern, like the Mustang. You got the Camry over here. Yeah, he said he didn't realize you could actually, buy these things, and I think he bought it all. But he's got it in one place here, and of all places, it's in Lowell, North Carolina. Look at all the doors. Oh, those are fenders. That's the back of the. You got trucks and cars, the back end. Yeah. Man, I'm very, very impressed by this collection. And check it out. He's got the suits over here too. He's got the die cast all in here. You can find your driver and his suit. You might find it here. The Toys R Us. That's so neat. McDonald's. Man, you spend half the day here looking at all the driving suits right here. That'd be kind of cool to get, if you're man cave, getting a frame. And I'm sure you could probably get online or call them up. I'll have all the information in the description about the pricing on a lot of this stuff. There's the back of the truck right here. Yeah, he's got them all lined up right here. So cool. Look at the signatures. That's neat. Have a tight squeeze. Get more of the suits here. Oh, these are jackets of different teams. Wow, all along here, all these different jackets. Ricky Rudd, right down here from his car. But man, just having a part of this history. I'm not sure if like more tops here and shirts, more panels here. I said items on here are not for sale just yet. I'm not sure. Please return everything where you found it. Thank you. Yeah, I won't be touching anything. But this is very impressive. I just love this. There's a Tide hat. I'm gonna look at the ball caps because I got, as you can see, got my junior hat on. So, man, if you're a huge NASCAR enthusiast, a big fan, I do recommend you come here to this warehouse and check it out. Let's go through the stickers. Check this out. It's a challenge coin, Kyle Busch Foundation. That's neat. Just find real cool, unique stuff through here. Just checking out all the different stickers. Got the Sprint series right here. Not sure what that is. But sticker plugs. More of the Kyle Busch Foundation. Hendrix. Little ornament. Just really fun stuff that you can go through and might find some cool stuff that you'll like. I'm gonna go through the stickers, all the different stickers and patches here. Kind of get a pin where you can put where you're from, where you're visiting from. 2 for $20. Might have to check these shirts out right here too. And in the die cast, you'll find a certification of authenticity, and this is Ryan Newman signed this. And yeah, there's a few cars in here that have been signed by different drivers, so you gotta look carefully. You're gonna find those. Yeah, I'm gonna go through some of these. And yeah, this rack right here, only $10 each right here. This is cool. Dale Earnhardt telephone, and they also have the Richard Petty telephone. So for instance, check this out. It's from the championship NASCAR Winston Cup, and you said it's from '94. Wow. So this, yeah, goes for $800. So they vary in price depending on what teams they're on, of course. But this is from Earnhardt Senior, from his team right here, and it's also from a collection from someone who actually was part of the pit crew at one time with Earnhardt. And there's a big correction on that. I said they were cycling shirts, the same material, it's the Lycra, but they are actually the new, the crew team shirts, because they're much lighter and they don't, overheat. So the Lycra works a lot better, of course, yeah, especially for cycling, but also for NASCAR, because they used to have the heavy materials right here that you would sweat like a dog in. But now they use these right here for the crew members. Much easier to work in, much lighter material, and they won't overheat. So yeah, so you can own a piece of the crew members' Lycra shirts that they wear now. And I wanted to show you the Racing Warehouse merchandise that you can purchase while you're here. Got these real cool baseball caps, and old visor there too. Yeah, this is really neat. They got some team ball caps over there as well. And they were telling me that they didn't price everything just because there's so much of it in inventory. Just gotta ask them what the price is. But check this out, All Country Time crew member outfit here, and it comes with the pants that they wore. Really neat. So that's complete. Got some team member jackets. Got the tires. And then you're gonna find all kinds of cool autograph signs. Like it's Kevin Harvick right there. He's from Charlotte. Earnhardt Jr. So you do have some signatures here. Michael Waltrip. They're eating lunch. I don't want to bother them over there. So, and I just want to take you here and have you look at all this NASCAR history. I love that portrait of Earnhardt. Driving suits are amazing. And some of these do have the prices on them right here. Like that's $600. So yeah, it's not, not crazy expensive. But this has been a lot of fun taking you here at this warehouse, the Racing Warehouse in Lowell, North Carolina. And also, right when you walk in, you gotta make sure you check the little showcases here. Isn't that cool? Then you have the shopping bags, so you can fill it up with your NASCAR goodies. And this is really neat. Well, I've enjoyed coming here. Yeah, I wanted to pop in here in Lowell at the Racing Warehouse. You got to come here, check it out, and bring home a piece of NASCAR history with you. And if you haven't, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, doesn't affect anything at all if you do subscribe. And we bring you this kind of stuff here in North Carolina, South Carolina, even in Tennessee, stuff you can experience and go to, and just get out of the house and just know it exists. It's here. Support your local businesses and stuff like that, or just sitting home and watch TV and get on Amazon. Support these guys, and they can bring more stuff to you. All right, guys, you take care. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.